Osteoarthritis is a common joint disorder. It occurs when the protective cartilage that cushions the ends of bones wears down, causing the bones to rub against each other. Common symptoms include joint pain or aching sensation in the affected area, swelling or inflammation, tenderness, loss of flexibility. These symptoms may impact daily activities and quality of life. There are several risk factors associated with osteoarthritis, including age, obesity, previous joint injuries. Introducing OssiNext, a breakthrough in the management of osteoarthritic pain. OssiNext is an autologous growth factor concentrate therapy kit, harnessing the power of naturally occurring growth factors in our blood. OssiNext works with simple procedure. 1. A sample of your own blood is collected. 2. Thorough specialized process. The growth factors are extracted, concentrated, and then injected into affected joints. 3. OssiNext promotes tissue repair and reduces pain and inflammation without side effects or allergic reaction. 1. Non-invasive procedure. 2. Sustainable option. 3. Can help in reducing pain and inflammation if initiated in early stage of osteoarthritis. With OssiNext, find relief from osteoarthritic pain and lead an active and fulfilling life. If you are struggling with knee or joint pain, do not wait. Consult your orthopedic surgeon and get your condition assessed and choose the right treatment like OssiNext. Walk Hard Life wins.